Thank you for checking out the CFO's Guide to Solar that is actually profitable from day one and requires zero CapEx expense. Hi, my name is Michael. I'm with Solar One. I'm the Director of Commercial Development. I've been working with Doug over at commercialsolar.org for several years now, and just want to provide you guys with a video on some innovative solutions for the solar industry and help you implement a solar project where maybe it wouldn't be otherwise possible. I'm sure you've had a lot of salespeople representing solar companies reach out to you and, discuss the opportunity or leave a voicemail or send you an email, whatever it is, about getting a, 8, 10, 15-year ROI for a solar project, something that's not part of your core business. And really doesn't, it's not something that can be approved very easily by your CFO. It just doesn't really, fit the mold of the types of projects you typically look to implement. And probably wonder if there's another way to, go about it, if there's, a different financial model out there, if there's anything better. And the reason I'm here today is because there is a better option for a lot of companies that don't want to wait a long time for an ROI. So what we've been doing for our clients for the past 5 years since we rolled this program out is we're helping them convert their taxes into an asset that's majority paid for by tax incentives. And what's unique about this program is not that tax incentives exist, but our competitive advantage is the fact that they're able to first realize the savings, and that includes, the federal and state tax incentives that are available that pay for the majority of the project. In the 5 years that we've been doing this, we've not seen another company offer this financial model. So this isn't like, oh yeah, I heard about this from some other company. We're the only ones that are doing it. So this is an ownership model. It's not a power purchase agreement. So it allows you to utilize your own tax liability. Now keep in mind, it only works if your company has tax liability. So it doesn't work for every single company. Obviously, there's quite a few companies that are out there that are really good at not owing taxes very frequently. This is for those who are gonna owe in taxes. If you are one of those people who, is expecting your company to do a CapEx solar project or potentially a PPA, that is something we do a lot of projects in conventional manners as well. This is for the customers that are looking for a more outside the box innovative solution. So instead of handing that money to Uncle Sam and the IRS, which nobody's really enthusiastic about, but we typically have to do, we're giving you the opportunity to convert that money into an asset that's 100% paid for by incentives, and you're not having to wait for an ROI at all. In fact, the first kilowatt hour produced by that solar array is cash flow positive. This is a program that we've been doing, the same program we've been doing for 45 companies now. And one of them is a large international plastics company that has outdoor products you'd find in Home Depot, Walmart, and Amazon, and many other places you're familiar with. They're saving $4 to $5 million per location over the life of the asset. One of the things that separates Solar One, aside from innovative financial models, is excellence and quality control of our builds, along with the true national presence that we have. We don't just develop the solar project and then have somebody else come in and build it, where we don't have true control over how, the quality of that build. We have our own employees build the solar project, whether or not it's a project in Maryland, a project in Florida, a project in Illinois or California, anywhere in the country, in the 48 continental U.S. states, we're going to build it ourselves. Every single time, you're going to get the exact same level of service and quality of build. If this sounds like something that may potentially be a fit for your company, feel free to reach out at this time to commercialsolar.org, and we'll be happy to put together a proposal for you. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching the video, and look forward to seeing you in the next one.